State learns that Mayor Cantrell now has legal counsel related to the recall effort.
Sabrina Wilson has more on this new development from the newsroom. Sabrina.
Attorney Marone Floyd spoke to me about the deal struck between the Secretary of State and the recall leaders, and he says a lawsuit on the mayor's behalf is possible. Yesterday, Secretary of State Kyle Ardoin entered into a consent judgment with lawyers for the recall leaders. It reduces the number of signatures required to force a recall election against Cantrell. Attorney Floyd takes issue with Ardoin striking such an agreement and thinks it runs afoul of Louisiana law on recalls. Meanwhile, a national recall expert calls the deal strange, while Ardoin defends it and says no voter status will change. What are the odds that a lawsuit will be filed soon on behalf of Mayor LaToya Cantrell?
I'm not a betting man, but I can say there's a possibility we are going to seek legal redress from that final judgment.
It's turning into a very strange recall, quite different than others, in that state officers are now getting involved. Generally, recalls signatures fail because the voters aren't registered. So because they have not let the wider public know how many signatures they have, it's really kind of a very strange situation.
Nobody's status is changing whatsoever. So this is just a number, the same, type of process that I would have gone through in August when we came up with the original number, and now we're just 25,000 less than that.
The numbers turned over to the New Orleans registrar haven't been certified yet. If enough signatures are certified, the governor would have to call a recall election. But as you heard Attorney Floyd say, litigation on behalf of Mayor Cantrell is possible.